guys, now we have the Vivo S Flip, a vertical foldable screen smartphone from Vivo, and here this is the smartphone in folded status, and this is outside screen. And yes, this time we have the purple color. And this time they provide three colors: golden, purple, and black. And also in the outside screen you can find the details of the camera, circle camera drum, and your color flashlight, and the outside screen is 3-inch. And when we unfold it, it's have a 6.74-inch inside screen, and here the main features about this device. Use the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor, and with a 50 megapixel main camera and real main camera, 12 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel phone camera. They support 44 watt fast charging with 400 big batteries. And this phone is much light than the X Fold 2. It's only 198 grams, and the size was very friendly for the females. I think girls cannot read. And here are more colors. You just choose golden, black, and purple. So this time they provide three colors. And I like the purple base because, as you can see, the back panel and for the purple is kind of leather material, is more soft. Golden is shining, and the black is just not shiny. So I really like the purple one. And also this time for the Vivo X Flip, I have this powered main camera. It's a 50 megapixel main camera, Sony IMX A66V. It also have a 12 megapixel wide angle, and also for the main camera supports OIS anti-shake system. And after we unfold it, we can finally have a nice screen, 6.74-inch screen, 2520 by 1080, 120Hz refresh rate TPO screen, and also the outside screen supports 60Hz refresh rate. This is pretty nice for the screen, and also for the processor. Use the Snapdragon 8 Plus is 4 nanometers processors compared to the Samsung technologies. Reduce the consumption 30%. Yeah, this is very nice. So we like to choose such a